Hey everybody, this is Alex from mytradersjournal.com, and today I made a couple of trades. I referenced one of these last week, and today's a pretty good positive day, so I wanted to take advantage of it. First one I made was on Disney. This is the one I mentioned on Thursday or Friday whenever I made my update last week. I think it was on, yeah, it was on Friday. Put the order in for 225 to close my let's see, here it is, the 105, August 105. It expires this week, so I was hoping I was going to make a little more money on it, but I had an order in for 225. Once the market opened today, I saw it was not quite going to hit there, it looked like, down to 225, so I raised it to 255. A few minutes later it hit, and let's see, here it is. It got 12 cents lower. I think it's maybe an hour later, something like that, 30 minutes later. Anyway, after I did it. So I could have done better, but good thing is I did get out because Disney has since reversed, and now it costs me between $3.30 $3.40 to get out. So much better to get out when I did than to have waited until now. And what that did for me was actually give me a gain on this one of a whopping 365. $3.65, not 365. Sold it, brought in, looking at my notes here, when Disney was at 106.21. That's when I made the original trade. Today it was at 102.65 when I closed it out, and that gave me, see, I had, after commission, had 259.32 originally, closed out today for 255.67. And Disney was trading at 102.65 when I made the trade. So Disney lost not quite $4, but it lost $4 because I made a mistake, not because I made a mistake, but while I made a mistake of choosing the wrong stock, it fell, but I didn't lose. It's hard to claim $3 as much as making anything, but it is nice. The benefit of using options is being able to make money when the stocks fall, or at least not losing. So that was good. I thought, trying to decide if I'm going to rewrite another one. I still want some more to shake out from Disney. I have no doubt it'll be back at some point, but it's all based on sentiment. So we'll see what Disney does, what the investors and traders do, and when the story shifts again. But right now they're losing subscribers. I think they've got other businesses that are working well. So I think it'll come around and be up again beyond where it is today. So the trick is just finding something else I like more in the meantime. But with it, I don't think I would even go at the 105. I thought about it earlier. I even started to put an order in and then canceled it. It'd be a great return, but it's $3.20 in the money. If I did that one out of the money, the return isn't quite so great. There are better opportunities. So just for risk reward, I'm going to look elsewhere. After Disney went through, I went over and looked at Walmart. Actually, you know what? Let me finish up on Disney for something else. So it's come down. That's where it dropped, and that's where I got hit there once I went in the money. And it's hovered down here. It might be building a base to come back up, so I could be back in it. Probably not tomorrow, but even later this week. We'll see. I really want to see it break above its high from last week, which is, I'll put an alarm here right at 103. Put an alert in there. If it does that, maybe I'll decide to get back in and maybe even be aggressive and go for the 105. We'll see what the story is that day. I already have an alert in here. If it goes below, I don't know what I'm going to do then. Probably nothing except for watch and setting a trigger. So after that went through, I came back over to Walmart. It was trading around, let's see, 80, just under 81, I think, when I first started looking at it. It's been failing a little bit lately, not failing, it's been dropping some, coming off its highs. It's kind of finished its big run, dropped below its 10-day moving average, which I don't really like. And so my strike on that one was only at the 75, August 75, again, expiring this week. So I'm cleaning up some of what I have expiring this week anyway. This one I think is almost no risk of being assigned, but crazier things have happened. So I decided to go ahead and for 12 cents clear out of it while I could. And it's funny, until I just looked at this, I thought I did it for 13 cents because the order, let me flip over to Walmart here. The bid ask was 11 and 13 cents. Same thing, and there's my order there, the 12 cents. So I put an order in for 12 cents, let it sit for 10 minutes, nothing happened. I wanted to move on and kind of get this video done, but also I have some more stuff I need to finish up today, so I want to get this out of the way. Went ahead and spent the extra buck. I thought I was spending an extra buck, changed it to 13 cents, hit it, and I got 12 cents. So it's funny how that works. On that one, I did better. Walmart was trading at 74.87 when I made the trade originally, and it was at 80.73 today. So it went up almost $6 from when I made the trade. My idea was right on that it was oversold on the Amazon buying of Whole Foods, and there was just panic for no reason that Walmart wasn't going to go down in flames because Whole Foods was in the picture for Amazon. It didn't calculate for me, and should have gone in the money a little bit deeper. I did go in 13 cents, so not a terrible trade, but it could have been even more aggressive if I wanted to. Glad I did go in the money instead of going even lower on the strike. Anyway, I got sold that one for $224.32 originally. Today I closed out for $13.09, which gave me a profit of $211.23. So I'm definitely happy about that. Taking the profit while I have it. And Walmart's one I think I'll get back in. Right now it's around 80.73, still about the same price it was a few minutes ago when I made the trade. It was, I just did that one at $2.29, and right now it is $2.43. So not that long ago when I did the trade, made the trade. But I think Walmart will come back down a little bit, probably with it twine over the, it's 3 days now, today being the third day that it's made it under its 10-day moving average. I'm going to break this down to 1 month instead. We'll be able to see it a little bit better. So you can see, I'm going to shorten it up beyond that. So you can see that it is dipping below there. That is definitely a sign of weakness. Right after the dividend, maybe people just got out, they took the dividend, sold some. 51 cents was paid last week, or the ex-dividend date was. So maybe if it comes down to 80 or so, I'll start thinking of it. That'll also help volatility if it's on another down day. So if I come in around, oh, going the wrong way, coming around when it's around 80 and sell something, maybe a 77.50 or something like that, we'll see. But even, I don't need the August and September, 193 I could probably get for the 80 right now. I'd like to get over $2, but that's not a bad return for just about 10 weeks out for the expiration. So we'll see. That's another one I'm eyeing. I'm not sure what I want to do outside of that. I mean, I need something, because these 4 triple Q naked puts are, let's see, look at my other chart over here. They're $11 out of the money. I'm not going to even waste the 12 cents to close that, or plus commission, maybe 15 bucks to close it. Might as well keep that. Buy a couple of extra beers for that. And it's up nicely today. We'll see. It's mixing it around with the 10 and 20-day moving averages. It's above one of the trend lines I drew before, so that could be good support. I want to see what it does tomorrow. Maybe I'll get back in and do something a little more creative there, or even just a straight naked put. Again, I don't think that triple Q and technology stocks are about to fall off a cliff. So there's probably some opportunity for me to make more money there than just the 15 cents that I have, $15 that I have in play now, including commissions. So there's definitely more I need to do to add more exposure. Even XLF, that's down to 13 cents. I will probably make another trade on that one this week. It's one of those that is up nicely today, cannot get over its 10-day moving average yet. I had an alert on that, so could end up being really busy. If everything starts to break out, looks about right, it'll change tomorrow, but that gives me something to hold on to. It made it above the 20-day today, 20-day moving average, so it's right in between here, the way it's trading. So there could be an opportunity coming up pretty soon there that would make it worth a trade. And I'd probably even go for the 25 strike even though my last one's at 24. I could be more aggressive. If I just did a couple of them again, that wouldn't be putting a lot at risk. And XLF, that's my old order that I still had to sell if it reversed and went the other way. But I might go ahead and roll those out and do the 25. That'd be nice. 63 cents is a decent return. That is, I have it here from where I looked at it earlier. 62 cents is what it was before when I was looking at it, so it's even better now. If I did 3 of those even, about 9, almost 10 weeks out, that's 13% return. That's a possibility, so maybe I'll do that tomorrow or the next day. I'll keep an eye on it. So that's it for today. No new opening of positions, but I did take some risk away, which was what I wanted to do, just in case something else happens this week on the macroeconomic front. And then I'll have plenty of cash to operate and see if I can make something new happen for us. So, all right, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. Comment below or email me. Email is on my blog also, mytraderjournal.com. And I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.